So now you can see, just a minute. Okay. So now the next method for preparation of amines. Okay. And this is called ammonolysis, or simply we can say it is Hoffman ammonolysis. Hoffman ammonolysis of alkyl halide. Okay. So what is this method? You can see the reaction. Basically, it is ammonolysis. Ammonolysis means reaction with ammonia. So when alkyl halide treated with ammonia, we get amines. Okay, so you can see the reaction. Alkyl halide reacts with ammonia. Okay, all of you know ammonia, nitrogen having lone pair. So this lone pair is donated to a carbocation because it is nucleophile and carbon having positive charge. Okay, partial positive. So there is a formation of R, NH3 plus and Cl minus. Okay, means there is formation of salt. Okay, so there is formation of salt, NH3 plus and Cl minus. So this is ammonium salt. We can say this is called alkyl ammonium chloride as a salt. If we take X, so we can write alkyl ammonium halide. So there is a formation of ammonium alkyl ammonium salt. So now we have obtained only salt, while we have to obtain what? Amines. We are just discussing about the preparation of amines. So when ammonia reacts with alkyl halide, always we get the salt. So what we have to do for obtaining the amines, it is further treated with base, strong base like NaOH. So now it is further treated with base, and when it is treated with base, so base means abstract acid. If it is base, it will abstract H plus from NH3. So now there is a loss of water, and Na and Cl फिर तुम्हारा क्या बना देगा? That is NaCl. Okay. So now it is further treated with just a minute. Okay. So now it is further treated with NaOH. Okay. Are you getting the point, all of you? Is it clear?
आपकी आवाज चली गई दोबारा.
Now it is coming.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So ammonia. Okay. Again repeating. Ammonia reacts with alkyl halide to form salt. This salt further treated with alkali, that is base, NaOH base, to form RNH2. Okay. So there is a formation of amine. This is which amine? Primary amine. Okay. Now reaction is over. Do you think reaction is over? No. Still reaction is not over because nitrogen having what? Lone pair. And due to lone pair, so actually it is a what type of reaction? It is a type of nucleophilic substitution reaction. It is again nucleophilic substitution reaction. This is the reason why after first chapter I do amines chapter, because in first chapter we have just discussed everything about the nucleophilic SN1 and SN2 mechanism. Okay, so it is a type of nucleophilic substitution reaction in which nitrogen, or we can say ammonia, act as a nucleophile. And why it act as a nucleophile? Because of presence of lone pair. Okay. So ammonia reacts with alkyl halide to form salt. Salt further treated with base to form amine. But amine again, in amine also nitrogen having lone pair. Due to lone pair, it is also still it is acting as a strong nucleophile. It is acting as a nucleophile, and when it acts as a nucleophile, again it will further reacts with what? RCl, or we can say RX. Okay, so again it will attack and to form like this. Again there is a formation of salt, R, NH2 plus Cl2, R will be there, and Cl minus. Okay, just a minute. Okay, so there is a 2 alkyl group attached. Hmm. Hmm. So R2NH plus and Cl minus, right? Again salt form. So what again we have to add? Same NaOH we have to add. So again there is a loss of water and NaCl. So again what we get? R2NH. That is which amine? Secondary amine. Okay. Now again there is a presence of lone pair. So again it is acting as what? Nucleophile. So again it will attack to RCl. Same process and form salts. So again we have to add NaOH so that salt and then for the formation of RN3, that is tertiamine. Now in tertiamine is still nitrogen having lone pair, so it is acting what? Nucleophile. So again it will continue as a nucleophilic substitution reaction with RCl to form R4N plus Cl minus. Okay, that is quaternary. Okay, I'm writing 4 degree because there is a no space. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. So there is a formation of what? Quaternary 4 degree ammonium salt. Okay. I'm writing at the top because I'm not getting the space. So finally what we have obtained? We have obtained quaternary ammonium salt. Okay. This is clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. This is quaternary ammonium salt. The final one. This one. Okay. So now this is Hoffman ammonolysis of alkyl halide. What is Hoffman ammonolysis of alkyl halide? तो आपको दिख रहा है कि alkyl halide reacts with ammonia to form salt, which further treated with base to form amine. Now this amine again react with alkyl halide to form salt and then form again higher degree amine. Then further treated with RX and NOS to form 3 degree amine. Then further 3 degree amine to form quaternary amine. अब इस क्वार्टनरी अमोन में इफ वी ऐड NaOH इज द रिएक्शन विल बी फिजिबल फर्दर? नहीं होगा. व्हाई? अब इसमें हम NaOH नहीं डाल सकते हैं और डालेंगे तो कोई रिएक्शन नहीं होगा. क्यों नहीं होगा? बिकॉज देयर इज नो हाइड्रोजन प्रेजेंट. तो H+ विल नॉट रिलीज. ठीक है. सो फाइनली ये क्वार्टनरी पे जाके रुकेगा. तो इस रिएक्शन में हमें क्या क्या मिल रहा है? व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग सो मेनी प्रोडक्ट्स. वी आर गेटिंग प्राइमरी अमीन, वी आर गेटिंग सेकेंडरी अमीन, वी आर गेटिंग टर्शियरी अमीन, we are getting quaternary ammonium salt. So what we are getting? One product of mixture.
बट फिर वो वन प्रोडक्ट जो हमें मिलता है वो
No,
कन्वर्ट
that's
नहीं
why
हो
I'm telling
जाता?
you. So by this reaction, we are getting the mixture of products, that is primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine, and quaternary salt. And due to formation of mixture, their separation is quite difficult. Isolation is difficult. And as well as the yield will also very less formed. So separation will be difficult and the yield is also less. Okay. So is this method suitable? Is this method very suitable for the preparation of amines? No.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So just a minute. This method is not very suitable for the formation of amines because there is a formation of mixture of amines, and due to formation of mixture of amine, the yield is very less and the separation is also difficult. But suppose you have given to this method only and you have to obtain a single product, not mixture. So what you have to do? Because when you are taking 1:1, both you are taking 1:1, you are getting the mixture of products. बट अगर तुम्हें कोई एक सिंगल अमीन बनाना है, इसी मेथड से बनाना है, तो व्हाट यू हैव टू टेक? you have to take any one of the limit quantity. अगर किसी को हम limit कर देते हैं, then we can obtain single product. Okay, so next page में दिखाती हूँ. So by this method, how we can obtain single product? So for formation of single amine by this method, we have to restrict something, we have to follow something, and that is what? So by this method, the single amine can be prepared only if using excess of alkyl halide, या तो हम दोनों में से कोई एक excess लेना पड़ेगा. Using excess of amine पहले ले लेते हैं. If we take excess of amine, अगर amine excess में हो गया, sorry, ammonia, sorry. If we take excess of ammonia, then RCl will be what? Limiting reagent. Limiting हो जाएगा ये. एक excess हो गया तो एक limiting होता है. What do you mean by limiting reagent? Which will be consumed in first step only.
Less in quantity.
तो अगर हमने अमोनिया एक्सेस में ले लिया तो ये अमोनिया ये कम हो गया, ये तुम्हारा RCl जो हो गया फर्स्ट स्टेप में पूरा कंज्यूम हो जाएगा. मींस you get the primary amine, but after primary amine the reaction will not follow. Why? इसके बाद कोई रिएक्शन ही नहीं होगा because RCl तो पूरा फर्स्ट स्टेप में कंज्यूम हो गया. Now there is no RCl left. जब RCl नहीं बचेगा तो the reaction will not proceed. Right? समझ आ गया सबको? So by this method, the single amine can be prepared only by either using excess of ammonia. If we use excess of ammonia, तो RCl will be limiting quantity, and hence what product you can obtain? Primary amine as a single product can be obtained. Okay, तो यहाँ में primary amine मिल सकता है. But अगर हम दूसरा करते हैं, second कर लेते हैं, either using excess of alkyl halide. So what will happen? If alkyl halide will be taken in excess, then ammonia will be in limited quantity. Means its lone pair completely used up by RCl. पूरा का पूरा lone pair RCl will be consumed. Ammonia will be completely consumed. Means we get primary amine. चलो primary amine के आगे हमें देखना है. We get primary amine. अब प्राइमरी अमीन है, पूरा का पूरा प्राइमरी अमीन बन गया. अब ये प्राइमरी अमीन आरसीएल चूंकि हमने एक्सेस में लिया हुआ है तो ये आरसीएल तो हमारे पास बहुत ज्यादा है, ये इसके साथ रिएक्ट करेगा और ये आरसीएल इतना ज्यादा है कि इसके सारे लोन पेयर को कंज्यूम कर लेगा. यानी प्राइमरी अमीन कंप्लीटली कन्वर्ट इनटू सेकेंडरी, सेकेंडरी कंप्लीटली कन्वर्ट इनटू टर्शियरी एंड टर्शियरी कंप्लीटली कन्वर्ट इनटू क्वाटरनरी. यानी यहाँ पे रिएक्शन जाके तुम्हारा स्टॉप हो जाएगा. मींस इफ वी यूज एक्सेस ऑफ आरसीएल, then what single product you are obtaining? Quaternary ammonium salt will be obtained as a single product. Is it clear? But by this method we can obtain only two things. Either primary amine can be obtained or quaternary salt will be obtained. You cannot get secondary and tertiary amine as a single product by this method. वो तुम्हें मिलेगा मिक्सचर के फॉर्म में ही मिलेगा. I hope it is clear to all of you. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
बाकी बच्चे? Yes, tell.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you please put the previous slide for a second?
Just a minute, putting this one. Okay. So now, एक second. Yeah, this one. So now you can see the reaction. Reaction ज़्यादा hodgepodge तो नहीं हो गया बच्चे?